Today's defense news, the highlights. Indian Army partners with Bharat Electronics to establish advanced AI hub in Bangalore. MDL begins construction of advanced patrol vessels for Indian Coast Guard. India-Japan academic partnership, IIT Bombay and Tohoku University collaborate on research. DRDO, IIT Delhi and the industry signed 10 tripartite agreements during an event organized by DRDO-Industry-Academia Center of Excellence. Karnataka-based Aequs to supply structural parts for Airbus A220 door program. Zetwerk raises $90 million at $3.1 billion valuation, plans IPO in 18 months. Commissioning of India's second state-of-the-art survey vessel INS Nirdeshak. 3 RFIs issued by the Army, one for the manufacture of 40 anti-drone ammunition in India, mini UAV with surface and undersurface detection systems of landmines and IEDs, and vehicle-based mine scattering systems. GTRE to test TI alloys, Ni-based superalloys and steels for Aero engines. Bharat Forges Kalyani Strategic picks up 25% stake in Italian firm Edge Lab. India's Ocean Mineral Explorer OME 6000 AUV captures first high-resolution images of hydrothermal sulfide fields. In the global highlights, Edge and Indra launch joint venture Pulse to revolutionize radar technology in Abu Dhabi. Hanwha closes $100 million deal to take over Philly shipyard. Embraer establishes its first defense subsidiary in Europe. The news in detail. The Indian Army inaugurated the Indian Army AI Incubation Center, the IAAIIC, in Bangalore, in partnership with Bharat Electronics, which will provide infrastructure and IT support, while the Army personnel will oversee its operations. Aiming to create an AI-ready force, the IAAIIC is designed to bolster the Indian Army's technological evolution and readiness for modern security challenges. The facility will focus on developing innovative, data-driven solutions to improve decision-making, operational efficiency, and preparedness for AI-driven warfare. IAAIC will act as a hub for collaboration, bringing together academia, startups, industry experts, and domain specialists to develop indigenous AI solutions tailored to the Army's unique requirements. The center will focus on critical applications such as predictive maintenance, enhanced surveillance, decision support systems, and autonomous platforms. The plate cutting ceremony for the first of 14 fast patrol vessels and the first of 6 next generation offshore patrol vessels being built by Mazagon Docks for the Indian Coast Guard was held in Bombay on 19th of December. MDL secured a 2,684 rupees contract under the Buy Indian IDDM initiative to construct these cutting-edge vessels. Equipped with advanced technologies such as surveillance drones, artificial intelligence for decision making, an integrated bridge system for enhanced maneuverability, and an integrated machine control system for operational efficiency, these vessels represent a leap forward in maritime capability. DRDO and IIT Delhi came together with industry partners at the DIA Garima event to strengthen the defense capabilities through collaborative research and technology transfer. The event, titled DRDO-Industry-Academia Global Approach to Readiness of Indigenous Military Applications, marked a significant step towards self-reliance in defense technologies with the signing of 10 tripartite agreements. The details of the agreements with Midhani, Rohtak, SMPP, Delhi, AR Polymers, Kanpur, Memorandum of Agreement for Development of Indigenous Ballistic Material with Reliance Industries, MOA for limited series production of extreme cold weather clothing with Aeronav Industrial Safety Appliance, Arnav Industries, and Aero Garments Tirupur, MOA for limited series production of extreme heat protective clothing with Aero Garments Tirupur, Aeronov Industrial Safety Appliance, and Catalyst Techs in Delhi. One of the key highlights in the agreement included the transfer of technology for advanced bullet resistance jacket ABHED. The ABHED was developed a few months ago in collaboration with IIT Delhi researchers led by Professor Naresh Bhatnagar. These innovative jackets have been created at the DRDO-Industry-Academia Center of Excellence DIACOE at IIT Delhi, utilizing polymers and indigenous boron carbide ceramic material. The design of these jackets is based on the characterization of various materials at high strain rates, which is followed by appropriate modeling and simulation in collaboration with DRDO. The armor plates for these jackets have successfully passed all necessary R&D trials, meeting the highest threat levels. These jackets are lighter than the maximum weight limit stipulated in the General Staff qualitative requirement of the Indian Army. With minimal possible weights of 8.2 kilograms and 9.5 kilograms for different BIS levels, these modular design jackets offer 360-degree protection with front and rear armors. Based on selection criteria matrix, several Indian industries have been shortlisted for the transfer of this technology. The center is ready to transfer the technology to 3 industry partners. Now let's have a word about DIACOEs. To integrate academia and industry into defense R&D, DRDO promulgated the long-term directed research policy of the Ministry of Defense. Under this policy, the DIACOEs pursue focused directed research for developing futuristic defense technologies. DIACOEs are being affiliated by the Directorate of Futuristic Technology Management (DFTM) under the Technology Management Cluster of DRDO. Joint Advanced Technology Center of DRDO, established in 2017 at IIT Delhi, was converted to DIACOE, envisaging association of Indian industry for translation of knowledge to high technology readiness. Over the past 7 years, around 50 research projects have been initiated under the 5 technology verticals with a total funding of 375 crore rupees from DRDO. The focus has been on soldier centric innovations, including high performance, lightweight body armor, advanced aerostat materials, smart soldier jackets, terahertz technology for spectroscopy, firefighter heat protection gear, and extreme cold weather jackets. Each project is enabled to ensure high technology readiness levels for DRDO's advanced systems with potential civil applications as well. The DIACOE IIT Delhi has engaged nearly 100 faculty members and 200 research scholars in its research areas to achieve self-reliance in defense technology, improving the capability and capacity of defense R&D in the country. The standard operating procedures for engaging industry through academia was brought out by DFTM to engage the industry actively through DIACOEs. This SOP has paved the path for activating the I part of the DIACOE. Karnataka-based Aequs Private Limited and Dynamic Technologies announced a contract for the supply of complex structural parts of the Airbus A220 door program. Under the contract awarded by Dynamic Technologies, Aequs will manufacture and deliver over 200 detailed parts requiring advanced tool design, forgings, machining, and surface treatment, leveraging its end-to-end capabilities. Earlier this year, Airbus awarded Dynamic Technologies one of the largest aerospace export orders to Indian companies for manufacturing and assembling A220 family aircraft doors. INS Nirdeshak, the second ship of survey vessel project, was commissioned into the Navy on 18th of December at Naval Dockyard, Visakhapatnam. Built with over 80% indigenous content, the ship is embedded with advanced hydrographic systems such as the multi-beam echo sounders, side scan sonars, autonomous underwater vehicle, remotely operated vehicle, etc. These enable precise mapping for safe navigation and planning in deep sea operations, expand survey capabilities in hazardous and restricted zones, and facilitates faster and safer data collection for wreck identifications and environmental studies. The construction of ship was a collaborative endeavor of Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau, GRSC, L&T, SAIL, IRS and a significant number of MSMEs, exemplifying India's commitment to self-reliance in defense manufacturing and maritime capabilities. GTRE is set to conduct extensive tests on various materials for aero engines, focusing on titanium alloys, nickel-based superalloys, and steels. This initiative is part of GTRE's broader efforts to enhance the performance of the Kaveri engine program, particularly with the integration of a new afterburner section aimed at increasing thrust capabilities. The material focus areas are titanium alloys are favored in aero engines applications due to their low density and high strength to weight ratio. The most commonly used titanium alloy in this sector is Ti6Ai4V, which has been utilized since the 1950s. More advanced alloys such as Ti6246 and Ti6242 have been developed to withstand higher temperatures and operational stresses within the engine environment. These alloys are particularly important in the lower temperature sections of engines where weight savings are critical. Nickel-based superalloys are essential for components exposed to extreme temperatures and stresses, such as the turbine blades and disk. These materials can operate efficiently at temperatures exceeding 1000 degrees centigrade, making them ideal for high performance engine applications. Manufacturing processes for these superalloys often involve complex techniques like investment casting and powder metallurgy, which enhance their mechanical properties. The development of high strength nickel superalloys remains a significant challenge due to the intricate processing required. While less common than titanium and nickel-based superalloys in high-temperature applications, certain steel alloys are still utilized in various components of aero engines. They provide good mechanical properties and are often used in parts that do not experience extreme thermal conditions. Bharat Forge's subsidiary Kalyani Strategic Systems has acquired a 25% equity stake in the Italian company Edge Lab for 2.5 million euros. This acquisition was formalized through a cornerstone investment agreement signed on 13th of December as part of EdgeLab's upcoming initial public offering plans. Founded in 2010 and headquartered in La Spezia, Italy, EdgeLab specializes in the design and manufacture of high tech vehicles, particularly in the field of marine robotics, including defense applications. The company has developed products for various applications, including scientific research and underwater operations. In December 2023, EdgeLab reported a turnover of 1.89 million euros, showing consistent growth over previous years. AMOG autonomous underwater vehicles was developed by EdgeLab is the first AUV designed and manufactured in Italy and tested in 2020 to a maximum operating depth of 1000 meters in collaboration with Larsen and Toubro. The National Institute of Ocean Technology has achieved a significant milestone in deep sea exploration, capturing the first high resolution images of hydrothermal sulfide fields in the southern Indian Ocean. This groundbreaking achievement was accomplished in December 24 during an expedition aboard the research vessel Sagar Nidhi led by Dr. N.R. Ramesh, Scientist G at NIOT. A team of scientists from NIOT and the National Center for Polar and National Research successfully deployed the autonomous underwater vehicle known as the Ocean Mineral Explorer OME 6000 to explore these hydrothermal sulfide fields located in the central and southwestern Indian ridges. Hydrothermal vents are areas of intense geological activity where seawater interacts with magma, creating unique ecosystems and depositing valuable minerals like copper, zinc, and gold. The OME 6000 AUV, designed for deep water exploration, captured detailed images and mapping data of the seafloor at approximately 4,500 meters depth. This data is crucial for understanding the geological processes and potential mineral resources associated with these vents. In the global news, Edge, a leading advanced technology and defense group, and Indra Sistemas, a global leader in information technology and defense systems, have formalized a joint venture agreement named Pulse, which will focus on the design, manufacturing, and integration of next generation radar systems, positioning itself as a key player in the global defense landscape. It aligns with Edge's strategic vision of expanding sovereign capabilities and Indra's Leading the Future initiative, which aims to advance innovation in defense technologies. The joint venture will be headquartered in Abu Dhabi with a state of the art manufacturing facility dedicated to producing advanced radar systems. The facility will also serve as a hub for research and development aimed at enhancing local expertise and building a skilled workforce. Pulse will focus on not only the design and manufacturing of radars, but also the integration and maintenance of these systems, ensuring the long term sustainability and technological growth of the radar industry in the UAE. The venture's capabilities will span various radar technologies, providing solutions for air, land, and maritime domains. Embraer Defesa and Segurança formally established its regional office in Europe in Lisbon, Portugal on 17th of December, looking to further increase sales on the continent. The Portugal office will host a dedicated team specialized in program management, support and engineering to provide solutions tailored to customers. Australia, Czech Republic, Hungary, and the Netherlands have ordered a total of 13 C-390 Millennium aircrafts. Slovakia signed a letter of intent for 3 C-390 Millenniums earlier this month, with formal procurement scheduled to begin in January. Sweden has also signaled interest in acquiring the aircraft to replace its aging C-130H Hercules fleet, according to a letter of intent signed on 9th of November. Portugal is Embraer's biggest customer in Europe, ordering 5 KC-390 Millennium transport aircraft in August 2019 and 12 A220N Super Tucano lightweight multi-role turboprop aircraft earlier in December. The contracts, combined including aircraft and related equipment and services, are worth more than $1.14 billion. That's all the news for today. We hope you enjoy the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.